Hello smart people, Miss H here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through part 2 of the Unit 1 practice test. So we're going to begin with problem number 13. So we'll continue with what we learned earlier. So we're going to round the square root of 109.6 to the nearest perfect square number, so which is square root of 100. Okay, because the next number will be a square root of 121. This is closer to 100 than 121. So square root of 100 will be around 10. Sorry, I used the symbol wrong. The approximation from 109, square root of 109 is square root of 100. And square root of 100 give you exactly value of 10. Okay, now square root of 50, the estimate square root close to square root of 50 is square root of 49 over 3. Square root of 49, which is 7 over 3. 7 divided by 3, which is about 2.333333. Okay, so obviously 10 is bigger than 2.3, so we're gonna draw the symbol that the alligator eat the bigger guy. Okay, that's my alligator. They're gonna eat the bigger guy, which is 10. Number 14. So this is similar like what we did earlier on top of this problem. We're gonna combining like term first. 15 plus 10 plus 60, that will give you 85. So square root of 85. The nearest perfect square number to square root of 85 is square root of 81. Square root of 81 will give you 9. Okay. Next one, 3 cube root of 10. So the nearest perfect cube number to 10 is cube root of 8. Then we bring down the 3 from that. Okay, cube root of 8 will give you 2. So that will be 3 times 2 would give you 6. So obviously 9 is bigger than 6. Alright, number 15. Number 15, square root of 5 closer to square root of 4 would give you 2. And this is 2.9. They say 2 less than 2.9. If I want to be a little bit more specific, so square root of 5 is bigger than 4. So this is 2 more. So normally 2 more. The more that we're talking about is like, instead of 2.0, you will have about 2.1 or 2.2. Okay, that is 2 more, slightly more. This is 2.9. It's closer to the next square root. They say that square root of 5, which is 2.1, less than 2.9. That is true. Okay, next one. 4 greater than square root of 23. So the nearest perfect square number to square root of 23 is square root of 25, which give you 5. They say 4 bigger than 5, which is false statement. Next one, square root of 30. The nearest square root to square root of 30 is square root of 25. Okay, over 5 because square root of 30 over 5. Square root of 25 is about 5 over 5, which is 1. 7 divided by 5. 7 divided by 5 will give you 1.8. 1.8. And this one is, sorry, I want to check it first. 1.4. I'm so sorry. It's 1.4. Yeah, I'm not good at doing things in my head. I need to write it down. I'll write it down. So 1 less than 1.4, which is true statement. Yes. Alright, number 16. Okay, estimate square root of 51 to the whole number. So we're going to estimate square root of 51. We do this a lot. This is the formal problem, but we've been doing it a lot. 2 perfect square number, that's square root of 51, stay in the between, which is 49, and 49 7 times 7, and 64, which is 8 times 8. Square of 49 is 7. Square of 68, which is 8. 51 is closer to 49. So to round to the whole number, basically square root of 51, approximately around 7. That would be it. That's all. Number 17. Square root of 149. Oh, before I do that, number 17. Whole number. That's what you have right now. You round it to 7 as a whole number. So that's why we stop right there. Alright, square root of 49. 149. Is in the between of two perfect square number. That is 100. 11 is 121. 12 is 144. Okay. And 13 is 169. So 149 is closer to 144. Square root of 144, which is 12. Square root of 169, which is 13. So the answer is square root of 149, approximately around 12. One more time, whole number. So the answer is 12, which is a whole number. Okay, square root of 23. In the between of two perfect square number, which is 20. Sorry, I know 25 is one of them. 25, this will be 16. Square root of 16 is 4, and square root of 25 is 5. 23 is closer to 25, so we're going to round up. Square root of 23, approximately around 5. One last time, whole number. Whole number, that's why we have 5 as the final answer. Alright, similar with 16, 17, and 18, they ask you number 19, a little bit different, but same idea, same strategy. Which ring contain the value of square root of 37? So, what is the perfect square number that needs square root of 37? The answer is square root of 36. That will give you about 6. Square root of 37, bigger than square root of 36. That will give you 6 more. A little bit more than 6. Okay. So your answer will be the first one between 5.8 to 5.9. Nope. We know it's 6 and a little more. Between 6.0 and 6.2. That looks good. Between 6.8 to 6.9. This is not 6 more. This is way more than 6. It's almost go to 7. This can consider 7 less, but cannot be 6 more. And between 7 to 6.2, this doesn't make sense at all. Okay, so the correct answer is 6.0 to 6.2. That is slightly more than 6. Alright, square root of 62. So who is the perfect square number closer to square root of 62? Which is square root of 64, right? Which will give you 8. Now, listen carefully. Square root of 62 less than 64. So the actual value is 8 less. 8 less. 62 less than 64, so you end up with 8 less. So option 5.8 to 5.9, not even close. 6.8 to 6.9, not 8. 5.8 to 7.8 to 7.9, which is correct, is close to 8, but is less than 8. The last one is 8.8 to 8.9. This is way more than 8. So we cross that out. The correct answer is third choice. Okay, make sure you be careful when you select the answer. Make sure you understand what's going on there. Square root of 171. So the closest one is square root of 169, would give you 13. Now, question is this 13 more or 13 less? 171 bigger than 169, that will be 13 more. Bigger is more. So more than 13, that will be the last option. Alright, we're heading to the next problem. I can see that I have typo here. I will change this right now so next year I don't have the same problem. But thank you everyone for whoever find that out and pointed out for me. Number 19, estimate square root of 5 to the nearest 10. So same strategy. Square root of 5 in the between of two perfect square number, which is 4 and 9. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 5 closer to 4, so square root of 5 approximately around 2. Now, if you stop right here, they will say it's wrong. That is rounded to the whole number. 2 is the whole number. We want nearest tenth, which means you need one number after the decimal point, so this is not done. Okay, so like we've been saying, 5 bigger than 4, which means the answer 2, which means 2 more, because 5 bigger than 4. So 2 more, we're going to go up as 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and we're going to find out who closer to square root of 5. 2.1 times 2.1 is 4.41. 2.2 times 2.2 is 84. Let me check one more time. Let me check really quick. Yes. And 2.3 times 2.3, that will give you 529. Okay. We try to find our number 5. 5 is in the between of 4.84 and 5.29. 5 is in the between of these two numbers. We're going to find out who is closer to 5. So if I take 5 minus 484, that will give me 0.16. If I take 5.29 minus 5, that will give us 0.29. So the closest number is 0.16 right here. So that makes this is the final answer. Square root of 5, approximately, earlier we say 2. Now we know it 2.2 will be the closer answer. 2.2. Alright, number 20. Square of 37 stay in the between of two perfect square number, which is 36, and 6 times 6, 36, 49 is 7 times 7. Square of 36 is 6, square of 49 is 7. So square root of 37 approximately around 6. So my question for you is 6 more or 6 less? Think for a second. Square root of 37 approximately around 6. Is that 6 more or 6 less? The answer is 6 more, because 37 bigger than 36. So that will be 6 more. Since 6 more, you're going to go up. 6.1 times 6.1, 6.2 times 6.2, 6.3 times 6.3. If you choose the wrong number, when you multiply them, you will see the number increasing way more than your original number with 37, or decrease way more than 37. It's going to fall into one of those two cases. We try to find who is close to square root of 37. 6.1 times 6.1 is 37.21. 6.2 times 6.2, that will be 38.44. Now it's obviously 37 in the between of this two, right? Or 6 times 6 is 36. Actually, yes, that will be a better option there. Because from 36 to 37, that's just where your turning point is. 37 here. So who is closer to 37? 37 to 36 is 1 whole unit away, but 37.21 through 37 is only 0.21 away. So our answer will be the closer number, which is 6.1. So square root of 37 approximately around 6.1. So we actually don't have to do 6.2 earlier. Alright, hopefully yeah, we can finish the problem here on this video. Square of 48 between 49 and 36. 48 is closer to 49, so it's about 7, right? Square root of 48 approximately around 7. So is that 7 more or 7 less? 48 less than 49, so that is 7 less. Okay, so instead of go up 7.1, 7.2, we're going to go backward, we're going to go down. That will be 6.9. That is literally 0.1 less than 7. 6.8, 6.7, so on and so forth. Okay, we're gonna check out answer here. 6.9 times 6.9, 6.8 times 6.8, and 6.7 times 6.7. Okay, so 6.9 times 6.9, that will be 47.61. 6.8 times 6.8, that will give you 46.24. So it's go way lower than now 48, which means that I have 7 times 7, which is 49. So 48 stay in the between of this two number, 49 and 47.61. 48 minus 49, that will be 1 whole unit. 48 minus 47.61 is 0.39. So the winner, the closer number to 48 is the products of the answer of 6.9 times 6.9. So square root of 48 approximately around 6.9. I'm sorry, I'm making this video around 10 o'clock. 10 p.m. at night. I tried to get the video done for you guys by Saturday, so I'm kind of a little bit sleepy, but we almost there, guys. We're almost there. Alright, number 22. Estimate 2 plus square root of 5 to the nearest 10. Okay, what is 2 plus square root of 5? So to the nearest 10. So we need to estimate, we need to solve square root of 5 to the nearest 10. So which is square root of 5? What is 2? Perfect square number. And then we solve it through, and then 2.1 times 2.1. Remember that? Which we already did earlier. Okay, this two problems are connected, but on the test they will ask you as number 22. They won't break it down like what I did for you. Okay, make sure if you see a problem like this, you have to estimate the square root of 5 to the nearest 10th. So this problem is easy for us because we already did it before. 2 plus square root of 5, which we did earlier, is 2.2. So that will be 4.2 as our answer. Done. That's it. Same thing here. 5 minus square root of 5. Same problem, similar question. So that will be 5 minus 2.2. Again, based on our last answer. That will be 5 minus 2.2. That will be 2.8. Done. Estimate 2 square root of 48. So square root of 48 we found out earlier is 6.9. So that would be 2 times 6.9. So 2 times 6.9, that will give you 13.8. That would be it. Yes. One more time. This kind of question, they may ask you like what we see in estimate 5 minus square root of 5 to the nearest 10. So your job that you have to know you have to find the square root to the nearest 10 first before you add or subtract or multiply to the second number. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. I'm sorry this video is 20 minutes long, but we get it done. Study well, and we're gonna take the test on next week. I don't know which day yet, but next week for sure. We have some technical problem. Hopefully it will be fixed by Monday or any time before next Friday. Alright, thanks guys for watching, and see you on the next video. Or next time. See you next time.